Hello everyone. Today we are in the Ocala National Forest, and that's the Ocala River, and we are out doing some hiking. So come along, we're going to go for a walk and see if we can not get eaten by alligators, bobcats, snakes, cats, panthers, bobcats, bears. There's bears out here. That's just what we need to come in contact with a bear. But the good thing is I can run fast and she doesn't run so fast, so hoo-hoo. Alright, as we get in a little deeper and deeper, it gets quieter and quieter. You can hear yourself breathe. Oh, look at that. There's bear poop right there. I don't know. I think maybe it was deer poop, but if you believe it was bear poop, then yes, it's bear poop. Now, if there's a bear out here, they're going to hear us. They're going to go the other direction. But something has been through there. You can see there's a path right clean through there. Something's been moving through there. Oh, goody. And it's something big. Something wide. Alligators, Florida crocodiles, lions and tigers and bears.
Oh my!
There you go. The good news is we don't have to step over the log. Boy, them people in the Ocala National Forest think of everything, don't they? It certainly is a beautiful walk out here. No movement. Ooh, spider. That spider didn't count for anything. Oh. Yeah, I heard something. The hell did I hear? I hear a bird. I guess if I need a little palm trees, this would be the place to come. Oh, you're not allowed to dig up trees, sorry. Alrighty. Be like an Indian and walk quietly. Shh, don't make any noise. See, that's not me, I'm being followed. Okay, if I come across anything interesting, I'll be back. Alright, we've walked in probably an hour, maybe not quite an hour. And those palm branches you're seeing right there, something moved, something jumped off of it, something jumped on it. They're big branches, we don't know what's back there. What could have jumped off of that? I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know.
Back up.
Maybe it's the monkeys.
A monkey. Maybe it's Bigfoot. Alright, we're going to start being a little quieter. See if we see something in here. Now I'm on edge. Oh, look, there's a picnic table. Out in the middle of nowhere, there's a picnic table. And there's the... See, I just heard something moving there again. Those big high branches of what we saw move. I don't see anything. Nothing. Whatever it is, it's watching us. Alright, let's keep going. something on that tree right there. Something just moved. The double trees in front of us. Now I'm starting to spook myself. Well, it's always good to be on edge when you're out in the woods. It's a nice trail, it's marked. So we're not going to get lost, that's the good thing. And for some reason alright, now that's very interesting. There's oranges.
Oh,
and there's
tree.
How about that right there? Orange tree. Huh. That's something.
Oh, look at something's eating.
What's that?
Something's eating.
Something, yeah. Oh, look at that. Something has been eating them. All right. We have creatures that can climb up and get the oranges, eat them, open them, and leave the peel.
Unless people did that.
Well, I don't know. I don't think I would eat can't climb that tree, and I wouldn't eat one that fell on the ground. I'm sure bears would eat those. I really haven't seen any prints, anything.
I think people did that.
She thinks people did it. And it could be. Alright, turn it off. We'll be back if we find or hear anything else. Okay, we are coming back into civilization. I can start to hear the cars. And look, there's a seat. So, yep, civilization can't be too far away. So if you were looking for excitement, Bigfoot, bears, alligators, well, you're going to be kind of disappointed. Didn't see any flying saucers, nothing exciting. But if you like being out in the woods and you just enjoy looking at the plants, well, then you enjoyed this video. Our next trip we're going to go in deeper into the Ocala National Forest, and we're going to do some dispersed camping. And what that means is you find a little one of them little roads, and you pull in and you camp there for a day or a week or whatever have you, with no electric, no water, no sewer, no TV, and usually there's no cell phone out there. So we'll be hiking some of them trails, and I will record them. And something moved. I don't see anything. Maybe just the wind blowing. Anyhow, if you enjoyed the video, great. If you didn't, oh well, I'm sorry. But please click the like button or click the hate button. Either way, at least I get a click out of it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Please tell your friends we need subscribers. Alright, until the next video, thanks for coming along with us, and we'll see you next trip. Bye-bye.
I smell back.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please hit the like button. And as usual, if you haven't, please subscribe, and we'll see you the next time. Bye-bye.